and welcome to my channel. My name is Mariah and today I have a vlog for you. Hopefully, I don't think I've ever done a vlog on my channel. I've done like a what I eat in a day, but this weekend is my 30th birthday weekend, and so I thought that it would be fun to vlog. Right now I'm just gonna make myself some coffee and get ready to go. Yesterday, Friday, was my actual birthday, and I went to Sephora to pick up my birthday gift. I went to Ulta, I went to Target, I just went shopping. I went to a boutique and picked up a dress. So I'll show you what I purchased yesterday. But for the plans today, we're going to visit some of my friends and go to Ikea because the closest Ikea is about 3 hours away from us. And so we're gonna go to Ikea and have dinner with friends, which I am very excited about. So I'll take you along today. And yeah. Oh, I also, we went out to eat yesterday as well. And so I'll put in a clip of what we ate, but I got a Caesar salad with salmon and it was so good. And Jessie got a salad with like ahi, seared ahi. And then we also got a little creme brulee cheesecake that was freaking amazing. So yeah, let me just make some coffee and get ready and take you guys along with me. We got the play kitchen. We got the kitchen. So we found this mirror. I have the clip of it earlier and they're out of stock, but they have the play kitchen, which is one thing that I really wanted, and we got some other things, but I'll do a haul later. So yesterday we went to Ikea, and then after Ikea we went to BJ's for dinner with friends. I don't know if BJ's is everywhere, but they're kind of like a cheesecake factory. I got a burger with goat cheese, which is amazing, and a salted caramel pizookie, which is freaking amazing. It was a caramel cookie with like vanilla ice cream and caramel drizzle on toffee, and it was so good. But now we're gonna go to Costco, so let's go. Super quick haul for you guys. Toilet paper, essential. Coffee, essential. Orange juice, chocolate chip granola bars, butter, toothbrush heads, frozen chicken, flank steak, tempura shrimps, chocolate bar from Ikea. So I'm going to do the haul portion of this vlog. I'm going to start with a boutique that I went to because I only got one item. I got this floral dress. The sleeve has a little ruffle on it. It has a band right here to cinch at the waist. The back has like a little hole in it, and then there's a slit in the front, and it's just like your 90s long floral dress. And I actually wore this to my birthday dinner, and it was super cute. I really like this dress. It is Target. I finally got a little like witchy fedora hat. It has like a leather bow right here on the side. It probably won't fit because I have a button right now. But I wore this with the dress to my birthday dinner. I got a pair of sneakers from Target. They are white with a taupe back and then like some beige on the side. I just needed a pair of white sneakers. I have black sneakers, but I wanted a pair of white ones for the springtime because I feel like black sneakers are more of a fall time. But I wore them once and they're already filthy, so that's what happens with white sneakers, I guess. So next up is stuff from Ikea. We picked up the Busa. I feel like I'm not gonna actually say the names, I don't think, because anyway, we picked up the tunnel for kids to crawl through. I don't think she's old enough for any of the things we bought her at Ikea, but we got her a little tunnel. It's just because Ikea is so far away, so I was like, we might as well buy things now for things she'll use when she's like 2 years old. But we got the circus tent, and this like circus tent is a pretty big size. I mean, that's the like circumference of it, but it was only $20, and I was like, you can't beat that. We also got the play kitchen. We got a cash register. I don't know what I did with the cash register, but we got a cash register also. And then Ulta, well, Sephora. At Sephora, I literally only picked up the birthday gift. But at Ulta, I picked up the e.l.f. Wow Brow in brunette. I've used it twice, and I like it so far. I feel like it's really good. The shade, I feel like I could have used a darker color because the brunette kind of has some red tones to it, and my eyebrows don't, but I do like it. Picked up the Maybelline Ultimate like crayon, and then this is in the shade more sepia, and it's just like a little lipstick. I like the color, but I definitely need a lip liner with it. Like, I could only wear this in the center of my lips, or else it's too light. The lip gloss that I bought and what I'm wearing on my lips is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Topaz, and I definitely think it's a dupe for the original Fenty lip gloss, which I think everybody has said, but it looks the same on me as that lip gloss does. And it's super like smooth and not sticky at all. Comfy. I really like it. I also got, I have a couple of the putty products from e.l.f. I have a couple of their blushes. And so I picked up the putty bronzer in Golden Days. And I definitely like the shade, and I like the application, just like I like the putty blushes. I really like this formula, and it's what I've been wearing for the past couple days. I repurchased my favorite mascara, which is the Essence Lash Princess. It's the green tube. I had the e.l.f. The e.l.f. one that was super popular like a couple months ago, and I just got rid of it. I don't like it. I didn't like it at all. Like, it was super wet and made my eyelashes clumpy. This, I feel like, is honestly, I keep going back to that mascara, and I don't know why I try other ones, because for this price, and I love it, I might as well just keep using this one. I got the birthday gift for March, which is the Purity Facial Cleanser. I didn't smell it. It's sealed, so I can't smell it. But I wish, I like how Sephora has the same gift for everybody. and you have like 3 options to choose from. I wish it was like that at Ulta. I hate that they have a different gift for each month, because some months I feel like are better than others. And like for March, I feel like they always do a skincare item, and I don't like getting skincare samples, you know what I mean? Like I don't know if I'll ever actually use this, so I might give this to somebody who will. I don't know. Oh, it's Philosophy brand. I don't know why I said Purity. I think that's the scent. Oh, I was like, did I get anything else? No, I got, so it's the Wow Brow. I took it out of the box to use it. And then the birthday gift from Sephora. I got the Laura Mercier. And actually, I really like the eyeshadow color that they have in it. I've been using it. But yeah, that was everything I hauled or I bought this birthday weekend. For gifts, I got so many amazing gifts. People spoiled me for my 30th birthday. I got a vlog camera, like slash a camera to film with. So right now I'm using my iPhone, which is what all my videos have been shot on my iPhone. And now I'm going to have an actual camera to film videos, and it's so exciting to me because I love filming, and it's such a fun hobby for me. And I mean, it's nice on my phone, it's convenient, but I feel like compared to other videos I see on YouTube, like the quality isn't the same. So I'm just so excited to have a camera. It's coming in today. So yeah, so hopefully the next videos you'll see on my channel will be like superb quality. But yeah, so it's a new day. We are on our way to a Lemongrove to just go look around. It's a family friend's property, and so we're gonna go take some pictures and just hang out as a family. So I ran to Trader Joe's for groceries this week. I'm not gonna do a grocery haul because I don't know, I'm just like not inspired by food or cooking right now. But there was a new item that I wanted to show you guys, and it's rosemary croissant croutons, buttery flaky croissant chunks. And they look pretty good, like in a salad. Yeah, like I was like, oh, okay, those are good. So I did buy these. I bought things like eggs, milk, stuff like that, but yeah. So it's later in the day. We had a blast at the Lemongrove, just walking around and taking pictures. I also went to Trader Joe's, like I said. I didn't get a whole bunch. I just got essentials like milk and eggs. Just because I've been super like uninspired by cooking lately. It's been a very busy couple of months. And so hopefully after March is over, I'll have more time to cook because that's what I enjoy doing. But I did get those new croutons, so we'll see. I'm thinking about making a salad tonight using those new croutons. But yeah, I'm just doing laundry, getting dinner done. But I hope you guys liked this video and celebrating my 30th birthday weekend with me. But give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.